All right, hey Math 7, this is video notes for distributive property and combining like terms. So we distribute and then combine. There is a good chance you might see this on your quiz as an opportunity for exceeding expectations. So we have the first one, we have 3 times the quantity, 5n plus 7 minus 2n plus 8. So the first step is I need to take care of stuff in parentheses. So I kind of still work with order of operations. So parentheses first. So 5n plus 7 cannot be combined, so I just need to distribute. So 3 times 5n would be 15n, plus 3 times 7 is 21, minus 2n plus 8. Now that I have distributed, I need to combine. So I have 15n minus 2n, and that is 13n. Then I have positive 21 plus 8. 21 plus 8 is 29, and it's positive, so it's plus 29. So 13n plus 29, final answer. Ew. I'll bet it erased my work too. It sure did. All right, let's go on with the next one. I have negative 4 plus 8 times the quantity, 6t minus 2. So parentheses first. So I'm just going to rewrite negative 4 so I don't forget it. Plus 8 times 6t would be 48t. Minus, because it's 8 times 2 or 8 times negative 2, so it will end up being a minus 16. Now I need to combine. So, 48t, that's all the t's. So that one's taken care of. And then negative 4 minus 16. Negative 4 minus 16 would give me negative 20. So I'm going to write minus 20. Final answer. All right. The next one, we have terms in front and behind, but there is nothing inside the parentheses that can combine. So I'm going to start writing down left to right, 13 minus, and then I'm going to do 7 times 5y, or I can think of that as negative 7 times 5y. It'd be negative 35y, so it's minus 5y. And then I have negative 7 and positive 9, so that would end up being negative 63 or minus 63. And then finally, I'm not going to forget minus 2y. It's very easy when I'm distributing and combining, trying to do multi-steps, that I accidentally leave out a term. So combining negative 35 minus 2y. So negative 35 minus 2 would be negative 37y. That leaves me with 13 and negative 63. 13 minus 63 would be negative 50. So I'm going to go minus 50. All right, the next one, I have 2 terms to distribute. So 7 times m is 7m, minus 7 times 8 is 56, plus 4 times 3 is 12m, plus 4 times 3 is 12. All right, so let's combine. I have 7m plus 12m. 7 plus 12 is 19m. Negative 56 plus 12. Negative 56 plus 12 would be 56 minus 12. 4, 4, 44, and it's negative, so it'll be minus 44. All right, last one. This last one is loving the negatives. So I have 10 times negative 3y would be negative 30y. Plus 10 times 4 is 40. Now the second one, it's minus, it's in parentheses, but that means I need to distribute the negative. So I'm going to put a 1 in front of the parentheses. So I'm going to do negative 1 times y would be negative 1y, which I don't need the 1, but I'm going to put it there for now. And then negative 1 times negative 3 would be positive 3, so I'm going to write plus 3. So let's combine. I have negative 30y minus 1y, so that's negative 31y. And then 40 and plus 3 would be plus 43. Final answer. All right, that is it for our possible exceeding expectations opportunities. We do not have an assignment over this, but there are some problems that you could find like this in IXL, or ask me. I can always provide more opportunities.